Hello everyone. This is how we log into our new school business system. So you can get there either by going to pulse.kickup.co, pulse.kickup.co, or you can go to the staff website and then scroll down to school business as usual. Click on the dot there, then click on log in with your written or Gmail. Okay, and then right here, you're going to go to log in with Google. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Yours will look a little different from mine, but you'll see your dashboard. And then you're going to go to the upper left here to the menu. You're going to click on it. If you want to see your reports or events or manage your account, you sign out here. But in order to go to an out-of-district event or an in-district event, you click on events. From there, you can find events that are in district here. So you can search by content, type, building. You can just browse events. So if you click here, you'll notice that there are different events. Usually there'll be some different events that will pop up. So like ConvaCon and different things were posted here. If you want to go to an out-of-district event, you click on your log, and then you can submit an out-of-district event. So this is what we used to call the school business. And so here you'll see there's a series of instructions and information about how to fill out the form or what's required for the form. So here you put the details in for the form, and then once you've gone somewhere, you'll need to put in your documentation, share your evidence. There's going to be a feedback document that will happen every time you go somewhere. We do need you to fill that out every time you attend an event that is professional development related. If it is that you're going to sponsor a group, or you're going as a sponsor or a chaperone, then you don't need to fill the form out for those things. But for school-related professional development, you need to fill out the form. And then you need to hit save and publish. So one other thing is that if this form comes to you in the email and you've gone to an event that's not school business, that it's more, or not PD, I should say, it's more just school business, then let me know and I'll see if we can work that out. So we're all still learning this system. Your PD chairs are learning it as well. I'm going to send them some specific information. Once you've got this all filled out, go ahead and get your sub. Don't wait until you get an approval. It is easier to cancel a sub than it is to get one at the last minute. So as soon as you think you might be wanting to go to an event, go ahead and get a sub for that day. And then if things change, we can make adjustments with the sub. Okay? If you have questions, please feel free to contact me. You can send me an email. You can call me and let me know. And as I said, we're all still learning the system, so I probably will have an update to this screencast at some point in the near future. Thank you.